Apple Watch Series 11 is finally here, announced on September 9th and set to hit shelves on September 19, 2025. Apple has once again raised the bar with this release, packing in fresh design touches, new health tracking improvements, and a more powerful chipset under the hood. It's thin, light, and built with premium materials like sapphire crystal and grade 5 titanium. Whether you're an Apple loyalist or someone just looking for the best smartwatch experience, the Series 11 is shaping up to be a serious contender. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more tech reviews like this. The Series 11 comes in two size options, 42mm weighing just 34.6 grams and the slightly larger 46mm version at 43.1 grams. Despite the larger screen, Apple has managed to keep the thickness down to only 9.7mm, making it sleek enough for everyday wear without feeling bulky. The premium build continues with a glass front, ceramic and sapphire crystal back, and the titanium frame that not only looks sharp but also adds durability. This is a watch you can take anywhere, thanks to IP6X dust resistance and 50 meters of water resistance. Apple didn't just stop at durability. They've included some serious health and fitness tracking features here. The watch is ECG certified, though the app availability will vary depending on your region, but the hardware is baked in across all models. It also includes a depth gauge that works up to 6 meters, giving divers and swimmers more confidence. Add in heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, VO2 max, and even temperature sensing for both body and water with 0.01 degree accuracy, and this is one of the most advanced health companions you can wear on your wrist. The display is another big highlight. Apple is sticking with the Retina LTPO3 OLED, and this time it reaches an impressive 2000 nits of peak brightness, so visibility under direct sunlight won't be a problem at all. The screen measures 1.96 inches with a resolution of 496 by 416 pixels, delivering a sharp density of around 330 pixels per inch. And because it's protected by sapphire crystal glass, scratches are far less of a concern. Apple even went with a wide-angle OLED approach for better viewing from different angles, which makes using the watch feel even more natural. Under the hood, the Apple Watch Series 11 introduces the Apple S10 chipset. This new silicon is paired with a dual-core CPU and PowerVR GPU, and it runs on the latest watchOS 12. What this means for users is smoother navigation, faster response times, and overall better efficiency. Apple has been consistent in pushing performance forward with each generation, and this upgrade helps the Series 11 keep up with both fitness tracking and demanding apps without breaking a sweat. Storage is set at 64GB, which is more than enough for apps, music, podcasts, and media playback. While you won't find a card slot or camera on this model, Apple makes up for it with smooth wireless integration. You get dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3 with A2DP and LE support, and advanced positioning with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and BDS. NFC support is also here for Apple Pay, and ultra-wideband Gen 2 adds precise location tracking and seamless connectivity with other Apple devices. There's no USB port or radio, but that's standard for Apple Watches. Battery life is one of the most important factors for any smartwatch, and Apple has worked to make charging as fast as possible. The Series 11 features a Li-ion battery with wireless charging that can take you from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. That means even a short charge before you head out is enough to get you through most of the day. While Apple hasn't released exact battery longevity figures yet, the improved efficiency of the S10 chip should offer solid all-day performance. When it comes to sound and media, the Series 11 has a built-in loudspeaker for calls, notifications, and media playback. As expected, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, but with Bluetooth 5.3, you're going to get a stable wireless connection with your AirPods or any other Bluetooth earbuds. This seamless integration is what Apple does best, making the watch not just a fitness tracker but also a miniature extension of your iPhone. Apple is offering the Watch Series 11 in 3 sleek color finishes: slate, gold, and natural. The titanium frame combined with these tones gives the watch a refined yet modern look that should appeal to both casual users and those who want something that feels premium on the wrist. Combine that with the always-on altimeter, barometer, compass, and media playback features, and it's clear Apple has packed a lot into a device that weighs less than an ounce and a half. So overall, the Apple Watch Series 11 looks like a polished evolution rather than a radical redesign, but sometimes refinement is exactly what's needed. Between the brighter OLED display, the faster S10 chip, expanded health tracking features, and premium build, this smartwatch is shaping up to be one of the best wearables of the year. If you're serious about health, fitness, or just want the best companion for your iPhone, this one is hard to ignore. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit like if you enjoyed this review, and stay tuned for more in-depth looks at the latest tech.